Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bites from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. This is the continuation of the previous video on what accessories are must to upgrade your car and as well make your old car useful, effective in driving and for your safety. Because of the rain, the latest thing what you are finding is you'll get the window getting fog and the rear view mirror also getting fog. There's anti-fog film which is available for 200 to 300 rupees, which you can paste it. Two sheets will come. One you have to paste it to the window, this side where the fog will happen, and the over rear view mirror you have to put. That's a sticker which you have to place. So that will work as an anti-fog film for you. The next one what you should look at is having a tire inflator. There are many types of tire inflators, but you can look at the combination of it can be used in AC and as well as DC. So if you have a tire inflator, the best part with that is suddenly when you are on highway or anywhere you are driving, you can inflate the tire within 5-10 minutes, because most of the tires today are all tubeless, and once you have a leakage or a puncture, so you can use the tire inflator to see that the air in the tire is up and you can drive to a near puncture shop. Or you can't, you are in a position that you can't remove your tire and put another tire for it or a stepney to it. You can just inflate the tire and then use the car. The other thing which is dash cam. Today there are a lot of accidents happening, or there's a lot of theft happening in the car and etc. If you fit a dash cam in the front and as well as the back, this will record the entire thing. If someone has hit your car or someone has robbed your car, that is all recorded. So that will be very useful for the police and for you, which will be a very useful accessories which can take care of you. Then wireless GPS tracker. Like your family, your elder people are going in the car, your kids are going to the school, and you have a driver is taking it. If you have a GPS tracker, that tracker helps you to track your car on your mobile, how speed your driver is driving, which route is going, and etc. So these are the accessories which are must for your car, for your safety. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.